Well, I'm back. We have water, Elmer's glue, food coloring. I chose blue. That's my favorite color. Contact lens solution, and baking soda. It's not Arm & Hammer, but it's baking soda. Alrighty? Remember now what you gotta have. Glue. You gotta have 2 drops of food color, contact lens solution, a bowl and 2 spoons, some water, and I think we might be ready to go. I have clear cups rather than bowls since I didn't quite have any available. So what I'm going to do is use these large clear cups and go from there. First thing we want to do is make sure you put your bowl in front of you. Open your glue. And if you have a bottle of glue this size, you want to put the whole bottle in your bowl. Try not to get your fingers all in the glue. Just please take the top off and just squeeze the glue into your bowl until your bottle is emptied. Okay. Try to get all of the glue now out of the bottle. Because really we don't want to leave any glue in the bottle. We're going to make as much slime as we possibly can with this bottle of glue. So make sure you get it all out there, okay? Okay. Get all of your glue into your bowl. Okay. Mine is still coming out. I didn't know I had that much in there, but I guess so. All right, we have the glue all in the bowl. Now the next thing is to add water. And I said use a half cup of water. So we're gonna do like a guesstimation of it. So what we're gonna do is take our spoon and we're gonna put 8 spoonfuls of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's give it a stir. Give the glue a stir in the water. And it looks like real thin, but it'll be okay. Just keep stirring. Now, really what we have now is what we call glue water. Water and glue. And if it doesn't appear real liquidy, you might want to add just 2 more spoonfuls of water. 1 and 2. Hope I didn't overdo it. And we stir. Now, next thing we're going to add the food color now. You got to be very careful with the food coloring. As you take the container top off, you make sure you don't get your hands all food colored. So we're going to drop 1 and 2 drops of food coloring in the water glue solution. Put the top back onto the food coloring Because if not, you may just have it everywhere. And we're going to stir. And remember, I told you mine was going to be blue. Stir, 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 stir. Till you get that color that you like with the food coloring. And if you want to make it a little darker, you add another drop. Now we're ready for the next and the major step to get it all done. We're going to take our contact lens solution, and your bottle, I'm sure, looks like mine, and it has a dropper at the end. And what we're going to do to make it real easy, we'll add a drop and stir. Let's add a drop and stir. Another drop. Keep dropping and stirring. Just more. I know what? Our baking soda was left out. So what we're going to have to do is to add a little baking soda and stir, stir, stir. Just a bit of baking soda. Stir, 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 stir. And that was one thing that did not quite go right. See, so as you're doing your ingredients and they do a little bit off handle, you can always go back and make it right. All right, let's add our contact lens solution. And stir. And mine is changing. Oh, it's changing. Okay. And you keep adding the contact lens solution now. I did a big squirt that time. Let's see if we can make it. Go ahead and get it done. Let's get it there. It's becoming slime. Yes. Yes, it is. Mine is sticking to the sides, and it won't be long, and I can pull it out. Yes. The slime should be all sticking to your bowl, and you should soon be able to get it out of there. But if it's real sticky and you can't quite put it in your hands yet, what we're going to do is add just a bit more of contact lens solution. And as we do, what that does is allow our slime to come together. Yes, coming together. Yes. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the slime from the container. If it's so you can't quite get it out of the bowl, as you stir it and move it, you're going to just add a little more contact lens solution to get it out of there. Yep. And the contact lens solution is the actual activator. And it's important that you understand what each component in this reaction does. And that's very, very important. Now, when you talk about the chemical composition of these things, the lens, contact lens solution, has boric acid in it. Now, boric acid is in the form of sodium borate. That means it's a solution of the acid. And we use the symbols from the elements that we talked about. Na for sodium, B for boron, O for oxygen, H for hydrogen, C for carbon, and these combine. And when they combine, they make the compound sodium borate, tetraborate, and polyvinyl acetate. And when these all come together, they make this new non-Newtonian substance that's neither solid nor liquid, but it's easy to make. And then we can improve on this by adding, you can add some glitter or some little marbles or some magnets, or make a different color, or you can make two batches and make a rainbow color and twist them together. All kinds of ideas that I'm sure you can think of to do. And I'd be glad to see those as you would improve on this, what we call recipe for slime. It's just great having you participate in this science, I tell you. I don't know, science is just something wonderful because it's everywhere and all around us. Now I'm going to take my slime out of my container, and you can do the same. And I want you to write down how it feels. See? I can put it in my hand like so. Ah, yeah. Yep. Surely can. See how it does it? Sticky a little. But as it is, remember now, the contact lens solution can work on the molecules to free them up so that you can handle the substance much better. This is really the activator in the process. And it's just great to have some fun sometimes. You see, science really is fun. Yes, science is fun. Ah, there we are. And this is our slime. Slime. Yes, it is. Slime. You can hit it. And you can pick it up and mold it. You see? I want to thank you for this time. And I hope you have fun with this slime. Bye now.